Hello YouTube. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to bypass the wash and rinse cycles on my LG washing machine. This is also for those who have their laundry still soaking wet. So, you see the spin button right here. It's got the advanced setting, also known as the spin only setting. To access that feature, just press the spin button for 3 seconds, or hold it down, and bam! It's just a spin cycle. And you can select how fast you want it to spin. The 1-minute option can be used to drain the water, but without spinning the tub. 11 minutes on a medium and low spin, and 13 minutes on a high spin. As you can see, none of these are lit. I'll just kick it right off to show you again. Once again, hold the spin button for 3 seconds. And it's just a spin cycle, no wash or rinse. And that's about it for the spin only tutorial.